Hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. So Doge is still in this support region that we discussed in previous updates. We have to be, however, ready to maybe raise the wave degree by 1. It is possible we are already in the larger wave 4. It's not confirmed at this stage, but I would be ready for it because the price could easily break this micro support region, but then the other one is already considered anyway, right, with 20.7 cents as key support for this scenario. Really, it would be ideal if the price could hold this support, however, at 20.7 cents. Yeah. So far, we are, however, not even close to breaking the micro support region for this smaller degree wave 4, which is a corrective pullback. So we see this at the moment just as a corrective pullback in an overall uptrend, which should still see some more upside adjustments in the coming weeks and months before we complete a larger rally up here around $1.30 to $2.11. That would be ideal. But the market didn't want to take the direct path, so we get a bit of a pullback before continuation. And we now have to monitor this current correction very closely in order to be, in order to say, okay, is this microwave 4 here, a microwave, or is it already the larger degree wave 4, right? And that will be determined in this support region. Okay, so now let's take a look at the smaller time frame then for Doge. Let's take a look at the smaller time frame for Doge. And here you can see that that's the micro count I shared with members earlier today. The idea is we're likely moving down in this C wave. And this C wave the B wave topped on Sunday, the 8th of December. And from that top, we only have a 3-wave move down at the moment. Wave 1, 2, 3. Could get a 4th wave bounce next. And then a 5th wave to the downside. So it seems like it might need another 4-5 pattern. I think that would be a spot where, when we get there and complete here this 5th wave, this would be a point where really a low could form. For now, I'm watching for a bit of a bounce, at least in wave 4. Okay, if we get a break above resistance, something more directly bullish could be unfolding. So if we break above a certain level, and that would be the 50, we'll see, we'll probably keep it the 61.8 fib. So this would be resistance, 36.9 cents. If we get above that level, I have to say it is going to be a little bit too large for an internal 4th wave. I'm considering the 61.8 fib level because it could just be a diagonal pattern. Oh, sorry, not 1 second. Let's just delete that. So yeah, it's this area, 36.9 cents to 34 cents. These are the standard resistances for this internal 4th wave in a possible diagonal pattern, right? So this is what we're watching. There is already a small reaction here to support. And remember that in recent weeks, we only saw sideways action. And the market tried to break above the previous swing high and, previous fib level, and it just couldn't. Okay, it just couldn't, and now it failed, obviously, and it's moving down. But still only a 3-wave move down. To complete a C wave, we actually would need 5 waves. So, of course, it could complete it earlier. Then it would probably be a WXY structure. But then we need a break above 36.9 cents to confirm the next move up is actually already unfolding. And there's no sign of a substantial low. However, it's possible a local low forms in this region. So that means the downside pressure is still high. And I think the pressure is rather on the downside as long as we stay below 36.9 cents. So that's the update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.